So what's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to publish a Replit app. Firstly, log into Replit and open the project you want to publish. At the top right of the editor, click the Deploy button. Select the appropriate option based on your project like Autoscale Deployment, Static Deployment, and Reserved VM for advanced apps. Now all you have to do is set your app name and choose environment variables. Confirm the run command and Replit will build and publish your app. Once finished, you'll get a public URL you can share with others. Also, you can do it via the quick web preview by clicking the Run button. Open the Web View tab and then copy the preview URL. Just note that this link may stop working when your project goes to sleep. Make sure your app runs without errors and confirm your main file is set correctly. Add required environment variables in the Secrets tab, and after deployment, anyone can access your app using the public link. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.